1,225 per item. So it's very cheap. It starts from, let's say, like $1 to $10,000, yeah, or $1,000, yeah. So that's how it is. So guys, when you check the offer, it's offered by Electronic Arts, and this game was released around October 10th, 2016. So if you want to see the permission, just have to tap on the see more. So let's go back and check whether it have been downloaded. uh, Still tap on the install button, waiting for Wi-Fi. I don't know the reason why this thing is delaying. Okay, let me tap on that download. It says pending, so let's wait. It has started. So this one, I'm not going to move anywhere. I just want to see it finish to see what's going to happen. Do you get me? Sorry guys, I want to see this. Let's wait till it finish. Okay, it's almost around 55%, 58, almost 60. So it's moving. It's going to get to 70 right now. So 74, 79, 80%. Let's try and see whether it's going to get onto our device or not. So if you're new here, please tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share. It says installing. It says can't install EA Sports FC Mobile. Oh my god. If this is not working on this device, then I have to use a different device. Okay, so let me try to see whether I'll be able to fix this problem. Let me fix the problem right here. So let me tap on the settings. After that, preferred network. So preferred network, see, it says over Wi-Fi only. So then I'm going to choose over any network. Then after that, you tap on OK over here. So after doing this, what you have to do is to just clear this. Then you go to your phone settings. I just have to fix the problem. Okay, so when you get to your phone settings, just scroll and tap on app and notification. Then after that, you're going to see it's loading. So as you can see, it's loading. So when it appears like this, tap on this see your apps over here. So let's tap on it. You're going to see it's loading, and after loading, you're going to see all your app listed over here. So what we have to do is to tap on these three lines at the top right corner. So let's tap on the three lines. So when you tap on these three lines, I need something to, I'm coming, guys. Okay, thank you. This one yellow. What's it? Brown we no or the yard you.
Okay.
Why say what say no?
Okay, I'm yellow. But I'm red, orange.
Sir. Okay. Oh my god, these people, they really worry a lot. Okay. So guys, let's continue. I'm very sorry guys. Let's continue. So when you get over here, in your app info, it's so blurry. I don't know the reason why this thing is so okay. So it's so cool. You have to tap over here, which is these three lines. So when you tap on the three lines, you're going to see show system. So tap on the show system, and after that, you're going to see this over here. So what you have to do again is tap over here. Then after that, you have to search in for Google. When you're searching for Google, then you type play. You're going to see Google Play Services and Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Services. After that, tap on the full stop. Then you tap on OK. So after doing this, you just have to go to the permissions to check whether everything is allowed. Then after that, you go back, then you tap on notification. Make sure the show notification is also turned